Well, look what we have here, guys. It's a brand new Karu 12G multi-fuel pizza oven. This is the upgrade over the regular Karu 12. This has the glass door, thermometer. It's got a bigger fuel tray when using wood and charcoal. And I'm pretty excited to get this thing open. Take a look. So let's see what we got. Oh, this box is heavy, I will give it that. Let's see. Welcome to the Ooni community. Really, it's a beautiful box, actually. Alright, so instruction manual. Might read that, we'll see. This is the pizza stone, which made it intact, so that's nice. This is the, I'm not sure what that is, I can't quite get it out. Come on. There we go, you had to twist it this way a little bit. This is the door, fuel door. Alright, let's get this top off. Oh, there it is. This beauty, powder coated steel. Oh, there for a second. Let's see what else is in the box. Yep. There's the front door. And I think that's it. I mean, look at this box. It's beautiful. That's the bottom. Have you ever seen a more beautiful box? That. And should be one more. It's a nice looking oven. Front, a little magnet for the door. This looks to be just a spacer, and then that makes this probably just a spacer. Pop, and now you can slide this box out. This might be the hardest part of putting this whole thing together, getting this box out. There we go. Now the spacer. This is the blank plate, I guess, for back here. And a little bag of screws. Chimney cap. I'm not sure what that is. Anyways. Fuel tray. The ash can fall through. That's a nice big fuel tray, so that would go in. This slide to the back. And oh, chimney. You have these little notches here correspond to these little guys. Just drop it in. Twist. And there's a lock and unlock right there. If you look through that, like, so even fully closed isn't really fully closed. Nice, easy to follow. These are already on, so really it's just the door. So it clips into one side, and then there's a little piece that goes in there, and we screw that in. So let's see what we got in here. Yep. Looks like this goes in here. So this slides in. There we go. And this screw goes into that hole, and then tighten it down. What's that? Let's flip it over, and there's our door. I'm not really sure what this piece does. Oh, this is a, I don't know what this piece does, actually. Let's see if we can find it on directions. It's right there listed. Screw the door in. Oh yeah, it does. It goes right underneath there. So let's flip this guy back over. That must be like a door catch or something. So, oh yeah, there's the two screws for that. So that makes sense. So this goes like that. Yeah, it must be just the door catch. So let's get those. Yeah, let's just throw this in here because we're here. There's that nice piece right there. Yeah, it bounces on it now. That's nice. Instead of having the door just kind of go wherever, so you can get you a shot in there. So it's straight through. Ignore the weeds to get the stone in there. It's nicely packaged in some little like bubble wrap envelope. Sits in there nice. So for the initial burning, I'm actually going to add the gas burner attachment. This is the same gas burner that for the previous Karu. So let's see what we have in here. A little bit of an unboxing. Manual, some tools. Regulator hose. So this just slides in. Screws already there. Goes over. Down. And that's actually a pretty tight fit. You can use the same tool to tighten these up. Boom. Okay, So let's light this up and get this going. We can open our door. Our chimney is set to wide open. I'm going to take this off so we can see in there as we light it. Oh yeah. Look at that. Let's see if I can angle this in so you can see it. Oh yeah, look at that. That is beautiful. Keep an eye on our thermometer over here. It's obviously all the way down right now as we just lit it. I think it just actually moved a little bit. All right. Kind of smells a little, to be honest with you, but that's why you do the burn off, because you don't want that smell on your pizza. Wow, that flame comes all the way to the front. That's amazing. I'm gonna let this go for about a half an hour. Okay, well, we are in the red. Let's check the stone. Stone in the middle is 850, 870, 880. One thing I was wondering about was how hot does the outside get? So let's take a few areas. Let's do right on top. About 300 right on top. Sides a little cooler, 265, 270. I'm gonna let this go. Let's make a pizza. Stretching out dough. That's pretty round. That's good. Olive oil down. Sauce. Less is more for the sauce. You know, one of the other things on my other pizza stone is I used a wooden one to launch and then a metal one to pull it out. So I'm kind of curious how this is going to go, because I've never actually put a pizza onto a stone from the flat surface, but I think we'll be all right. Looks good. Put a little on this guy. Nice. Straighten this out a little, clean them up. Try to make them round. Get off some of that extra flour. All right, it's going in. Let's check our temperature one more time. We are in the red. First cook going in. I also went with the Ooni turning peel so we can get a shot in there. It looks good. Look at that. Cheese is already melting. That looks delicious. That looks really good already. Let that go another 15 seconds or so. Look at that, huh? Oh yeah, that's going quick now. Oh yeah, look at that. A little bit more on this end just for a quick second. But I do like my pizza crispy, bubbling. Oh, look at that. Wow, that looks pretty amazing to me. Nice char all around the crust. Take a look underneath. Nice. I told you I like mine a little crispy too, so that is a nice looking pizza. Let's see what we got. This is a 65% hydration dough, by the way. Most of the recipes you see online are either 60 or 70. I think this kind of cuts the middle nicely. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is so good. First pizza on the Ooni Karu 12G, just released, brand new. So pardon the birds in the background here, but I want to just give you my initial thoughts after one cook on this Ooni. My previous pizza oven was a Camp Chef. It was a lot bigger. I could fit bigger pizzas in it, but I found that I never really did. I only made individual size, that 12-inch that this thing can make, which is all I ever make. You know, I guess if you're somebody that needs a bigger size, then maybe the 16-inch models might be better for you. For me, the only thing that it would really give me is the ability to shift the pizza around to warmer spots of the stone as it cooks. But really, you know, and would it take 90 seconds for that live time cook? Wasn't really a big deal. Personally, I like the crust a little extra crispy, and it came out perfect as far as I'm concerned. The Ooni pizza peel and the turner, I've never used the turner before. I always thought they were kind of silly, but I figured, what the hell, buying into the whole Ooni family, let's do it. And they're really good quality. I was a little concerned with the slots, how that would work, but went right on. You know, it was just as easy as launching from a wooden peel as far as I'm concerned. So really good job by Ooni. My next cook is going to be the same pizza but with some charcoal and wood. We'll see how that comes out. So look forward to that video pretty soon. And then I have a whole bunch of other videos coming out with some very different types of non-traditional pizza recipes coming up. I'll put this thing to good use.